how to allow to save TikTok video. So let's see over here. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. First of all, you need to open up your TikTok application on your device. After that, you need to log into your account. After logging in, you'll be able to see the home page of TikTok like this. So if you want to allow others to save your TikTok video, then you need to turn on the download option. So in order to find out the download option, you need to first tap on the profile option in the right bottom corner. And after that, you have to tap on the 3-bar horizontal line in the right upper corner. And you have to go for settings and privacy at last row. In this section, you have to tap on privacy option. And you have to scroll a little bit where you'll be able to see the downloads option. You have to simply go for downloads. And simply you have to turn this option on. And by doing that, other people will be able to download your videos and share to other platforms. So by following this simple step, you can allow to save your TikTok video. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.